Forget your grandpa's axe and handsaw. Those were the tools of a bygone era, relics of a time when logging was a laborious manual process. Back then, it was all about muscle and sweat, with loggers spending countless hours felling trees by hand. Today's forestry is a high-tech showdown. The industry has evolved dramatically, embracing cutting-edge technology to enhance efficiency and safety. No longer do we rely solely on brute strength. Now it's about harnessing the power of innovation. Imagine massive machines wrestling trees into submission. These giants of the forest are equipped with powerful engines and advanced hydraulics, capable of felling trees with astonishing speed and precision. It's a dance of machinery and nature where every move is calculated. Picture robotic arms sorting logs with laser-like precision. These automated systems can identify and categorize timber with incredible accuracy, ensuring that each log is processed in the most efficient manner possible. It's a symphony of technology at work. We're talking raw power, cutting-edge engineering, and a whole lot of grit. These machines are built to withstand the harshest conditions, from dense forests to rugged terrains. They are the unsung heroes of the logging industry, tirelessly working to bring timber from the forest to the mill. This ain't your average walk in the woods, folks. It's a high-stakes operation where precision and power are paramount. Every tree felled, every log processed, is a testament to the incredible advancements in forestry technology. This is where technology meets timber, and it's a sight to behold. The seamless integration of machinery and nature is nothing short of awe-inspiring. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to innovate. From felling giants to processing timber with surgical precision, these machines are revolutionizing the industry. They are designed to maximize yield while minimizing waste, ensuring that every part of the tree is utilized. These machines are revolutionizing the industry. They are not just tools, they are game changers, transforming the way we approach forestry. With their help, we can meet the growing demand for timber while preserving our forests for future generations. Chainsaws roar to life, their teeth ripping through wood with ease. These powerful tools are essential for any logging operation, capable of cutting through even the toughest timber. They are the workhorses of the forest, reliable and efficient. Hydraulic splitters effortlessly cleave logs into manageable pieces. These machines use immense pressure to split logs with precision, making the process faster and more efficient. It's a perfect blend of power and finesse. And let's not forget the behemoths that haul timber with the grace of a ballet dancer, albeit a very large and powerful one. These machines are designed to transport massive loads of timber with ease, navigating through challenging terrains with remarkable agility. But it's not just about brute force. These machines are also marvels of engineering. They're equipped with the latest technology, from GPS systems to advanced sensors, ensuring that every operation is carried out with precision and efficiency. These machines are also marvels of engineering. Every component is meticulously designed to perform at its best, from the powerful engines to the intricate hydraulic systems. It's a testament to the incredible advancements in mechanical engineering. Sensors, computers, and advanced hydraulics work in perfect harmony to maximize efficiency and minimize waste. These systems ensure that every cut, every move is optimized for the best possible outcome. It's a perfect blend of technology and nature. They're designed to handle the toughest conditions, from rugged terrain to extreme temperatures. These machines are built to last, capable of operating in the harshest environments. So buckle up, folks. We're about to dive headfirst into the world of high-tech forestry. Get ready to witness the incredible power and precision of these machines and see how they are transforming the logging industry. Get ready to witness the awe-inspiring power and precision of these incredible machines. From the forest to the mill, these machines are the backbone of the logging industry, driving innovation and efficiency every step of the way. Let's talk firewood. It's more than just a pile of logs, it's a lifeline during the cold winter months. That essential winter companion that keeps us warm and toasty, creating a cozy atmosphere in our homes. But before it reaches our hearths, it needs to be processed, and that's where things get interesting. The journey from forest to fireplace is a fascinating one. Enter the automatic firewood processor, a marvel of engineering that turns logs into firewood with astonishing speed. These machines revolutionize the way we prepare for winter. These machines are a sight to behold. With their intricate mechanisms and powerful engines, they make quick work of even the toughest logs. Logs are fed into one end, and out the other comes perfectly sized firewood, ready for stacking or bagging. It's a seamless process that saves time and effort. They can handle logs of varying sizes, adjusting their cutting blades and splitting force accordingly. This adaptability ensures that no log is too big or too small. Some models even feature built-in conveyors that transport the finished product directly to a waiting truck or trailer. This added convenience streamlines the entire operation, but with great power comes great responsibility. Operating these machines requires a keen awareness of safety protocols. Safety is paramount when operating these machines. Proper training and vigilance can prevent accidents and ensure smooth operation. Always wear appropriate safety gear including gloves, eye protection, and hearing protection. These precautions protect you from potential hazards. Keep a safe distance from moving parts and never operate a machine if you're tired or distracted. Staying alert and focused is key to maintaining a safe working environment. In the end, the effort and care put into processing firewood pay off when we gather around a warm, crackling fire, enjoying the fruits of our labor. So, as winter approaches, remember the journey of firewood from forest to fireplace, and appreciate the technology and safety measures that make it all possible. Don't let its size fool you. The Genius Wedge is a small but mighty tool that packs a punch when it comes to splitting wood. This ingenious invention is a testament to the power of simple yet effective design. Made from durable high-grade steel, the Genius Wedge features a unique shape that maximizes splitting force while minimizing the effort required. Its tapered design and sharp edges bite into the wood, creating a controlled split that prevents the log from binding. The Genius Wedge is also incredibly versatile. It can be used with a sledgehammer for splitting larger logs or with a regular hammer for smaller pieces. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and store, making it an essential tool for any woodcutting enthusiast. When it comes to heavy-duty log splitting, the PM Splitter is in a league of its own. This beast of a machine is designed to handle the toughest splitting jobs, from gnarled knots to massive logs. Powered by a robust hydraulic system, the PM Splitter delivers an incredible amount of splitting force, making short work of even the most stubborn logs. Its adjustable splitting wedge allows you to customize the splitting height, ensuring optimal performance for different log sizes. Safety is a top priority with the PM Splitter. It features a two-handed operation system that keeps your hands well clear of the splitting wedge. The machine also includes a safety cage that prevents debris from flying back towards the operator. Rotten H2D, unleashing hydraulic fury on stubborn logs. The Rotten H2D is not for the faint of heart. This machine is built to conquer the most challenging wood-splitting tasks you can imagine. This hydraulic wood splitter is a force to be reckoned with, designed to tackle the toughest splitting jobs with ease. Whether you're dealing with knotted, gnarled, or oversized logs, the Rotten H2D can handle it all. Its powerful engine and robust hydraulic system deliver an impressive amount of splitting force, making short work of even the most stubborn logs. The hydraulic pressure is finely tuned to ensure maximum efficiency and power, but it's not just about brute force. The Rotten H2D combines power with precision, ensuring that each log is split cleanly and efficiently. The Rotten H2D is also surprisingly versatile. It's designed to adapt to a variety of wood types and conditions, making it an indispensable tool for any serious woodcutter. Its adjustable splitting speed allows you to fine-tune the machine for different log sizes and types of wood. This means you can customize the operation to suit your specific needs, whether you're working with softwood or hardwood. It can handle logs up to 24 inches in diameter and 26 inches in length, making it a versatile tool for any woodcutting operation. No log is too big or too small for the Rotten H2D. Safety is paramount with the Rotten H2D. The machine is equipped with multiple safety features to protect the operator and ensure a safe working environment. It features a two-handed control system that keeps your hands well clear of the splitting wedge. This system ensures that both hands are occupied, reducing the risk of accidental injury. The machine also includes a log lift and a log cradle that help to position logs safely and efficiently. These features not only enhance safety, but also improve productivity by reducing the physical strain on the operator. With the log lift, you can easily raise heavy logs to the splitting position without straining your back. The log cradle ensures that each log is perfectly aligned for splitting, making the entire process smoother and faster. The hydraulic controls are intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to make quick adjustments on the fly. Whether you need to change the splitting speed or adjust the log lift, the controls are designed for maximum convenience. In summary, the Rotten H2D is a powerhouse of a machine, combining strength, versatility, and safety. It's the ultimate tool for anyone serious about wood splitting, capable of handling the toughest jobs with ease and precision. The Holtz for G888 is not your average chainsaw. This Swedish-made masterpiece is a testament to precision engineering and a commitment to quality. From its lightweight design to its powerful engine, the G888 is built for professionals who demand the best. One of the most impressive features of the G888 is its exceptional power-to-weight ratio. It's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended periods, yet it packs enough power to tackle even the toughest cutting jobs. This balance makes it an ideal choice for professional loggers and arborists. The G888 also features a number of innovative safety features, including a chain brake that stops the chain in milliseconds if kickback occurs. It also has a vibration dampening system that reduces operator fatigue, allowing for longer and more comfortable use. Mark, a young logger with a sharp mind and even sharper axe, stood before a towering oak. He wasn't just swinging blindly, he assessed the wind direction, the lean of the tree, and potential escape routes. This wasn't just about strength, it was about calculated risk. Mark's careful approach is a testament to the evolving forestry industry. It's no longer just about brute force. Today's loggers are trained professionals, equipped with the knowledge and skills to work safely and efficiently. They understand that every cut is a calculated decision, and their safety and the safety of those around them depends on it. This focus on safety extends beyond individual loggers. Forestry companies are investing in training programs, safety equipment, and new technologies designed to minimize risk. The goal is to create a work environment where everyone goes home safe at the end of the day. The ground trembled as the Massey Ferguson tractor lumbered into view. This wasn't just any tractor, it was a force of nature, equipped with a massive grapple capable of uprooting trees like they were weeds. With a mighty roar, the grapple sank its teeth into the earth, wrapping its steel jaws around a stubborn stump. The tractor strained against the resistance, its engine groaning under the immense pressure. Then, with a final surge of power, the stump ripped free from the earth, sending a shower of dirt and roots flying through the air. The Massey Ferguson is a testament to the raw power and versatility of modern forestry equipment. It's a workhorse capable of handling a wide range of tasks, from clearing land to transporting logs. Its powerful engine, robust drivetrain, and advanced hydraulics make it an indispensable tool for any large-scale forestry operation. The next time you walk through a forest, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication of the men and women who manage these vital resources. From the loggers who fell trees to the mill workers who transform timber into lumber, these individuals play a crucial role in our lives. They work long hours in challenging conditions, often facing inherent dangers, to ensure a sustainable supply of wood products that we rely on every day. They are the unsung heroes of the forest, and their contributions deserve our recognition and respect. So the next time you see a logging truck rumble by or hold a piece of wooden furniture in your hands, remember the skilled hands and advanced machines that made it all possible. These are the stories of high-tech forestry, where power, precision, and safety converge to shape the world around us.